This is the external part of female reproductive system. Okay, the first one, this is the clitoris, and the green one is labia majora. The the pink one is labia minora. The red one is hymen, and the middle part in the red one is vagina opening, and the last one, is urethral opening.
This is the internal part of the female reproductive system, which we have here: vagina, cervix, uterus, ovary, and fallopian tube. Next, we move on to the fertilization process in female reproductive system. Fertilization happens when sperm swims up through the vagina and fertilizes an egg in the fallopian tube.
Okay, now here I will explain about fertilization. What is fertilization? Fertilization is a baby birth start with a process called fertilization, which is the joining of an egg and a sperm. So, fertilization is the first step of a pregnancy. Okay, we see the ovulation, but we know about the ovulation? Okay, the ovulation is the process in which a matured egg is released from the ovary. After it released, the egg moves down the fallopian tube and stay there for 12 to 24 hours, where it can be fertilized. In this fertilization, the sperm meet and enter the egg. After that, it we call zygote, that fertilized egg. Okay, next step is we call the false cell embryo, or we call as the false cell stage. Okay, this is the result of the second cleavage event and occur at approximately 40 hours after fertilization. The third step is a morula. A morula is a Latin morus, or we call as a mulberry. A morula is an early stage embryo consisting of a solid ball of cell called blastomeres, contained in mammals and other animals within the zona pellucida cell. The step 4 is early blastocyst. Okay, a blastocyst is a cluster of dividing cells made by a fertilized egg. At the early stage of embryo, a blastocyst is one step among many that lead to pregnancy. A blastocyst forms about 5 to 6 days after the sperm fertilizes an egg. Layer of cell in the blastocyst divide and separate. Last step is a implanting blastocyst. Okay, the implanting blastocyst consists of a pair of trophoblast cells and eccentric cell cluster that called the inner cell mass. It within 7 days.